John Asen coming at you again from 3D Golf Performance, and I'm standing inside one of my simulator bays that are equipped with launch monitors. And I'm here today to talk to you about practicing effectively. And if you're like myself, finding those practice times in between rounds can be challenging. So I want to make sure that when I do practice, I'm getting some good feedback and reinforcement that I'm doing what I'd like to do or what my instructor is telling me that I should be trying to do to hit the ball a little better. So I'm going to demonstrate just by hitting a shot or two here and getting this feedback from the system. So just like at the range, I can see my ball flying right up the line here. I can see the trajectory down below. I'm just going to put the cursor on it so that the screen stays up for a little bit and just bring it in a little bit closer for you to have a look at. So basically we gather a whole bunch of information and you're going to have to decide what's important for you to review. For myself, I'm looking down here at the club face and the club path and how much side spin I produce. So my face at impact was 2.5 degrees open and my club path was 5.9 inside out. So measuring within a tenth of a degree, or 6 and 3 if you want. So basically that produced about 300 RPM of side spin. That was a draw spin. You can see the way the actual arrow is on the ball here. I'm going to keep trying to get those numbers tighter and tighter together, but I want that face angle to be half or less than half of my path. And I want to get as close to zero as I can. So I'm going to try to make an adjustment here and see how we do. So the difference between the two numbers creates the spin. So 2 degrees open, 8 degrees inside out, we'll have a 6 degree difference between the face and the path. That means my face is 6 degrees closed to my path, which will put more side spin on the golf ball. So again, I'm going to try to work on that. This reinforcement and feedback gives me the ability to feel what I'm trying to feel at impact or going through the shot. And here's a perfect example. I've got 1.6 degrees open and 2.9 inside out and only 4 degrees of draw side spin. So again, in a few shots, I can really build on what I'm trying to work on and hopefully get those kinds of results. Good golfing and enjoy the hit.